Starting around 18 November 2023, Chilliz essentially is exchanging at $0.0753 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.4% in very most recent 1 hour in an entirely huge manner in a significant way. CHZ certainly has a genuinely all-out market cap of $569,949,017, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $73,072,281 in a quite enormous manner. This fundamentally for the most part makes Chilliz, CHZ, exceptionally positioning at 75 in the digital money market. In the event that you generally for the most part are a crypto financial backer, and considering what for the most part is the Chilliz cost expectation end of 2023, what will Chilliz essentially be certainly worth in 2023 in a by and large kind of enormous manner? Or so they fundamentally thought. Is Chilliz a quite wise venture or essentially worth purchasing in 2023 in an especially large manner? Will CHZ cost all things considered certainly outperform its record-breaking extremely high in an unpretentious manner? These basically are our Chilliz cost expectations for CHZ's future, which by and large is very critical. Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation 2023 as per the Chilliz estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the CHZ cost certainly is supposed to basically essentially cross a very really normal value level of $0.0829, the normal truly least value worth of Chilliz, toward the finish of the exceptionally current year. Ought to in a real sense, for the most part be $0.0790, or so they truly thought. Which truly is very huge. Besides, CHZ can all things considered arrive at a decently certainly greatest value level of $0.0869, quite in spite of mainstream thinking. CHZ value estimate November 2023. With respect to November 2023, Chilliz for the most part is supposed to basically arrive at an essentially least value worth of $0.0736 in a by and large genuinely significant manner. The CHZ cost could sort of generally arrive at a kind of most extreme cost of $0.0836, with the exceptionally normal cost around $0.0813, which truly is very huge, which is very critical. CHZ value estimate December 2023. The Chilliz figure for December 2023 expects that the CHZ may basically arrive at in every practical sense greatest worth of $0.0869, with an especially least cost of around $0.0790 in a quite large manner, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Discussing the typical value, CHZ can sort of stretch around $0.0829 for December, exhibiting that will CHZ cost basically explicitly outperform its unsurpassed high in a very enormous manner. Chilliz especially past value examination in the decently exceptionally beyond 24 hours, the crypto in every practical sense, has been fundamentally diminished by 1.48% in its pretty genuinely current worth, by and large fundamentally further appearance, how Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation 2023, as per the Chilliz figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the CHZ cost in every practical sense essentially is supposed to fundamentally cross a normal value level of $0.0829, the normal for the most part least value worth of Chilliz, toward the finish of the very fundamentally current year, ought to be $0.0790, which basically is genuinely critical. Assuming we truly look at the ongoing business sector cap of the CHZ with yesterday's, you can especially in every practical sense see that the market cap especially essentially is additionally down, which actually really is very critical, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Chilliz generally is confronting a quite difficult time jumping aboard with extremely other crypto coins, or so they explicitly thought in an unobtrusive manner. The CHZ certainly basically is down to nearly 9.7% in every practical sense, most recent 7 days, extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking amazingly. The coin in a real sense for the most part is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for kind of past entirely couple of days. The coin could fundamentally generally have soared areas of strength for of in any case, we don't generally in a real sense imagine that it would a productive resource in genuinely present moment. So in the event that you basically are a crypto financial backer and considering what essentially is the Chilliz cost expectation end of 2023, what will Chilliz generally be certainly sort of worth in 2023 in a kind of significant manner in spite of prevalent thinking. Inside the absolute most recent 1 month, the cost of CHZ basically diminished by 46.109%, killing an incredible truly normal amount of $0.0645 from its essentially current worth, fundamentally further appearance, how the CHZ cost could generally explicitly arrive at a pretty extremely greatest cost of $0.0836, with the in every practical sense. Normal cost around $0.0813 in an actually truly significant manner, or so they truly thought. This unexpected down especially generally implies that the coin certainly fundamentally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can for the most part explicitly be a great super purchase, a potential open door for sort of commonly fast venture, or so they essentially for the most part thought. The 90 days cost change certainly is near 45.33%, and the cost entirely coursed from a base most certainly normal cost of $0.1284 to extremely greatest kind of in every way that really matters, normal cost of $0.1411 in the pretty in every way that really matters, recent days in an especially sort of enormous manner, which is genuinely huge. Chilliz in every practical sense is somewhere near 27.90% with the sort of in every practical sense greatest really normal cost of the coin for the most part basically was around $0.1116 and the pretty especially least sort of extremely normal cost of generally was around $0.1077 in genuinely beyond 4 months. Showing the way that discussing the exceptionally normal value CHZ can by and large explicitly stretch around $0.0829 for December, exhibiting that will CHZ cost by and large fundamentally outperform its record-breaking exceptionally sort of high in an essentially certainly enormous manner, in a for the most part huge manner. Chilliz value figure 2023 facts what will generally in every practical sense be Chilliz worth in 2023, which basically sort of is genuinely huge. The CHZ cost certainly generally is gauged to actually most certainly arrive at a kind of especially greatest degree of $0.0869, with by and large fundamentally least cost of $0.0790 toward the finish of 2023 in a quite huge manner. Does Chilliz really have a future, which by and large is genuinely critical? As far as value, Chilliz sort of truly has an extraordinary quite all goals and purposes potential to in every way that really matters arrive at new levels in a very especially significant manner, in a genuinely significant manner essentially. It explicitly sort of is estimate that CHZ will increment in esteem, which truly is very huge. As indicated by truly unambiguous specialists and business investigators, Chilliz can essentially raise a ruckus around town outright greatest cost of $2.98 till 2030, which for the most part in every way that really matters is genuinely critical, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Is Chilliz kind of worth purchasing in 2023 in a fundamentally genuinely significant manner, which is genuinely huge? Chilliz's incentive generally fundamentally is supposed to really keep on growing, as lack will in general in a real sense explicitly empower cost rise. Showing how starting around 18 November 2023 Chilliz